Exercise B tenses and infinitives。咁呢個咧就除咗 tenses 之外咧，我哋仲有呢個不定詞呢個 infinitives。Fill in the blanks with the correct tenses and infinitives of the verbs given。會俾一個字你咧就要轉佢啦。My good friend Dick's birthday。哇！我老友阿 Dick 咁有個男仔名就叫 Dick 啦Dick。Dick's birthday。Dick is my good friend。呢度咧就係 present tense 一個事實，佢係我嘅好朋友。琴日係，今日係，聽日都係，呢個係一個事實。咁所以我哋用 present tense。His parents 咁因為承接上邊個 present tense 咧，咁his parents 兩個父母即係阿媽阿爸，咁所以咧就唔使第三人單數留意呢度啦。Parents 係眾數，咁所以咧就咁 hold present tense 得噶啦。His parents hold a tea party。呢個 hold 呢個字咧可以解捉住、揸住，但係喺呢度嚟講咧係解舉辦。咁所以英文咧 hold a tea party 就係舉辦一個茶會呢個生日會咁呢個舉辦咁解啦。hold 咁譬如話呢本書你同我揸住Please hold this book for me。咁即係唔該你同我揸住本書啦。咁樣 hold 又係解舉辦。He 呢度已經轉咗呢個 time marker 啦。點解咧？因為我見到咧就係呢一句咧就有 last week。係last week。last week 咧就係呢一句就係佢上個禮拜打電話俾我，咁所以咧 call 加 ed。He called me 打電話俾我call 就可以叫，又可以解打電話。He called me and some other friends last week and invited。因為咧有個 and 字啦，有個 and 字嘅時候咧就係呢個叫做 parallel pattern。parallel pattern 咧即係話咧呢個 and 字前面用過去式，後邊咧亦都一定要用過去式，就叫平衡式句構平衡式句法咁所以你見到咧 and 字前邊過去式，後邊過去式And invited us to his home, but he 咁not tell。如果 not tell 嘅時候咧，我哋咧就要加個字 did。咁我哋嘅 shorten form 咧就 didn't。個 not 字冚咗佢啦didn't tell didn't 後邊咧就係叫做 bare infinitive， 就冇過去式噶啦因為個過去式咧就俾個 did 頂咗代表咗咁，所以but he didn't tell us the reason。咁佢話你嚟我屋企啦，咁但係咧冇講為什麼理由，有咩理由要去佢屋企，即係保持神秘He didn't tell us the reason， 冇將個原因講俾我哋聽，點解邀請我哋去佢屋企。咁呢度咧又見到有啲 time marker。呢個 time marker 咧就係 yesterday 昨天。一見到昨天呢個 time marker 咧就係要過去式啦咁所以咧就係 I order。點解要加 ed 咧？咁樣你諗唔到，當你諗唔到咧，就係點樣轉嘅時候咧？order 譬如我哋 do did done meet met met， 咁呢啲我哋知order 好似冇念到呢個 irregular verb table 就咁加 ed 啦咁所以你一覺得唔識轉嘅時候咧，就加 ed。OK 呢個啦，呢個你要識噶啦。buy bought buy 嘅過去式咧就係 bought bought 即係購買。咁我咧就訂咗一個大蛋糕啦Julian 係女仔名Julian bought a special present 買咗份好特別嘅禮物。特別個字咧就叫做 special present 呢個字咧就解禮物咁present 咧又可以倒直譬如話黃小明Peter Wong present 咁即係倒直。咁 present 咧解現在啦，解倒直啦，又可以解禮物。 A watch with a Mickey Mouse logo 咁啊！哇，原來買咗呢個特別禮物咧，就係一個錶啦。個錶嗰度咧有個 Mickey Mouse， 即係米奇老鼠啦。logo 咧就係個商標啊，個公仔，咁我哋叫 logo。Last time 一見到 last time 就繼續過去式啦。Last time when Dick saw 咁因為 last time 咁所以 saw 啦 ，C 就變 saw 啦嗱，呢啲你哋就要識轉噶啦。See saw he like 呢個冇咩特別諗唔到see saw 先嗰啲咧，咪加 D 咯嗱。如果有個 E 字俾你咧，加個 D 咧；冇個 E 字俾你咧，俾 ED 啦。He liked it very much。He B 字咧就 is am are was were 咁嗰啲啦過去式啦。He 梗係 was He was very happy。哎呀，呢個咧 He was very happy 後邊咧就咪 got 啦。He was very happy to get 呢個咧就係有個動詞啦。咁有個動詞之後，後邊呢個咧就會將佢變為 infinitive He was very happy to get this person tonight 呢一個咧就叫 infinitive 不定詞咁因為前面已經有個動詞啦He was very happy to get 冇理由兩個動詞噶嘛除非你有嗰啲嘅 connective 啦，咁所以呢句咧 He was very happy to get 咁就啱啦。OK， 好，講完。